See, in question number 13, it is given that in a survey of 600 students in a school, 150 students found to be taking tea, 225 students found to be taking coffee, 100 were taking both tea and coffee. So this we should find here. So by formula, if you want to solve, we know. See, De Morgan's law is what? A complement intersection B complement is equal to A union B whole complement, isn't it? This is De Morgan's law. So if you want to find number of element, so it will be like this. So now we should find here how many students taking neither tea, means tea complement, and not coffee, isn't it? So this will be equal to N of T union C complement. Both are equal. So to find this, but now T union C complement is what? N of U minus N of T union C, isn't it? Because any number complement of any set means U minus A. So here we have T union C complement means U minus T union C. So this we should find. This is already given. That means T union C we should find here. So T union C we can find using formula and using these three given values, isn't it? So N of T union C will be N of C plus N of T minus N of T intersection C. That will be 225, 150 and 100. Okay. So this will be 375 minus 100, which is equal to 275. So N of neither tea nor coffee means N of U minus N of T union C, which will be 600 minus 275 will give 325. Okay, and by using Venn diagram, so by using Venn diagram it will be same answer only will get here. This is 600 C and T, suppose this is 100, isn't it? And C is 225, this is 100. So C will be 125 and 150 minus 100 means 50 only. So add these three sets to get C union T and then apply this formula. So you will get 325 as answer. In a group of students, 100 students knows Hindi, 50 know English, 25 know both, means H intersection E is 25. So each of the student knows either Hindi or English. How many students are there in the group? Either Hindi or English means N of H union E we should find here. So we can directly use formula to get this value, N of H plus N of E minus N of H intersection E. So 100 plus 50 minus 25. So 125 students are there in group because all the students either like Hindi or English. So 125 students. This we can solve by Venn diagram also. H and T, H intersection is 25, H and E, sorry. So E is 50, so this will be 25, H is 100 means this is 75. So you add all these three sets to get 125. In a survey of, question number 15 says that in a survey of 60 people, so N of U is 60, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, so N of H is 25, then 26 read newspaper T, 26 read newspaper I, 9 read both H and I newspaper, 11 read both H and T, 8 people read both T and I, and 3 people read all the 3 newspaper. Okay, so from this given information, first we'll try to find or try to draw Venn diagram. See, these three conditions are given. Okay, so this is suppose H newspaper, T newspaper and I newspaper. Now intersection, we will start from the reverse order. Okay, so this is given as 3, that means all the intersections, all the intersection means this value is 3. Then next value T intersection I means this 3 intersection means this value is given as 8, but already we counted 3 here, isn't it? So this will be 5. 5 plus 3 8. This particular area is 8. H intersection T means this intersection. Okay, this is given as 11, but already we wrote 3 here, so here 8 will come. 8 plus 3 11. H intersection I, that means this region is 9, and we already wrote 6 here, so sorry 3 here, so 6 plus 3 9, 6 will come. Then N of I is 26. Now out of 26, I means this complete circle, so in N of I this 26, already we counted here 5 plus 3 8 plus 6 14, so 26 minus 14 will be 12. So this region will be 12 only, isn't it? Similarly, N of T is 26. This region is also complete circle is 26. So already 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 8 16. So 26 minus 16 will be 10. Now N of H is 25, but 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 6 17 we already counted. So 25 minus 17 means 8. So this is your complete Venn diagram where union is 60. Okay. Now we will solve first question. First question is number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. See, at least one of the newspaper means they can read one also, or 2 also, or maximum 3 also, isn't it? So how many people are there? Number of people we can write who read at least one newspaper. Okay, so for one newspaper means, see, this 8 people only reading H newspaper, 10 people only reading T newspaper, 12 people only I. So 8 plus 10 plus 12 will come. Okay, then here 5, 6 and 8. 5 means 5 people reading 2 newspaper. We want 2 also, isn't it? Because we know at least means 1 or more. At least 1 means 1 or more. So here we wrote for 1. Then for 2 also we should write 5 plus 6 plus 8. And then this 3 means all the 3 newspapers. So that option also we should write, isn't it? So these all newspaper read 1 newspaper. These all numbers read 2 newspaper. This one 3 newspaper. So after adding all these 3 number, we will get, see, 30. This will give 30. This will give 19. So 22 plus 30, that is 52. Okay. Then second part of the question is, the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Exactly one means only H or only T or only I, isn't it? So how many are there? 8 plus 10 plus 12, that means 30. So by using Venn diagram we can easily answer many questions. Here from this Venn diagram you can answer other questions also. Only H, not T and I, only I, not T and H, like that you can answer many questions. Question number 16. In a survey, it was found that 21 people like product A, 26 people like product B, 29 like product C, 14 like both A and B, 12 like both C and A, 14 like both B and C, and 8 like all the 3. So we will draw a Venn diagram here, and from reverse order we will start. Okay, from this. So now suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C set. So all the 3 intersection means this part is given as 8. Now next is B intersection C is 14. Means B intersection C means this area, isn't it? This is 14, but already half part we calculated as 8. So 14 minus 8 means 6 will come here. Then C intersection A is 12, means this part. C and A intersection means these two circle intersection. This is 12, but already 8 is here, so 4 will come. Okay. A intersection B means 14. Already 8 is there, so 6 will come. Now n of C is 29. N of C is 29, but n of C means this complete circle, 29. So already we have 14 plus 4, 18. So 29 minus 18 means 11. Okay. Then B is 26. This B is 26. So we have 14 plus 6, 20. So 6 will come here. And A is 21. So 18 minus 21 minus 18 means 3. See, 6 plus 8, 14, 4, 18. And this complete circle is 21. So 21 minus 18 means 3. Now question is, find how many like product C only. See, now in how many like product C? This much. So number of people like product C, directly we can write 11.